Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to RJD's online class Rangpur. My dear students, I am Fahima Khatun. Hope you all are fine, and I am also. As we could not attend school due to coronavirus, we all know. So you have to practice and you have to study at your home. One more thing I want to tell you, that you have to listen to your parents, whatever they say. Dear students, today I am going to discuss on a very important lesson for you. Important especially for JH exam. Hope you will listen to me and follow the class carefully. Okay? Dear students, what do you see in the picture? Think about this. Do you know the man? Yes. He is the famous rural poet Jasimuddin. Famous rural poet Jasimuddin. Do you know some of his famous works? Yes, I think you know. There are two famous works of him, Nukshi Kathar Math and Sojon Badiyar Ghat. The two famous works of our dear rural poet, our rural poet Jasimuddin. Viewers, let's observe a video. Let's observe a video. In this video, we can observe some embroidered quilt or Nukshi Katha. Some beautiful and artistic Nukshi Kathas here. Dear students, what have you observed in the video? Nukshi Katha. Yes. Our today's lesson is Nukshi Katha. Unit 1, Lesson 2. Let's take your textbook and open Unit 1, Lesson 2. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to ask and answer questions. Read and understand text through silent reading, inform meaning from textbook, and you are to able write a paragraph. Dear students, look at the picture and the questions. Then ask and answer the questions with your partner. There are some questions for you. In a pair, you ask the questions with your partners. Now read the passage carefully. Before that, there are some difficult words for you. I am trying to explain the words. Quilt. Yes, there are a word in your passage. Quilt. you can see a picture of quilt, and there are some synonyms of quilt. Like this, quilt means cover, blanket, comforter, bedding. You may make a sentence with quilt. Yes, Nakshi Katha is a kind of embroidered quilt. There are some other vocabularies I am trying to explain. Artistic. Yes, artistic means creative, imaginative or inventive. Nakshi Katha is made with artistic design. Another word, commercially. Commercially means, you can see a picture. Commercially means business purpose or trade. Nakshi Katha is now made commercially. Nakshi Katha is now made commercially. Another word, traditional. Traditional means old-fashioned or old style or legendary. Nakshi Katha is a kind of traditional craft. Demand. Demand means want or call or request. There is a sentence. There is a great demand of Nakshi Katha. Great demand, or there is a great demand of Nakshi Katha. Pattern. Pattern means designed or shaped or formed. It looks very beautiful because of its artistic pattern. Pattern. It looks very beautiful because of its artistic pattern. The next word is embroidered. Embroidered. Designed, beautified, ornamented or decorated. Embroidered means designed, beautified, ornamented or decorated. Quilt is embroidered with thread and needle. These are all vocabulary for you. Now you try to explain what is a Nakshi Katha. What is a Nakshi Katha? Let us know more. Now read the text again to know about Nakshi Katha. Read the passage carefully from your textbook. Nakshi Katha is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word Naksha, which means, the remaining part you may read out from the passage in your textbook. Okay? Read attentively. Have you finished? I think you have finished as well. Now, write a paragraph describing how the Nakshi Katha is made. Start like this. Old or new cloth and colored thread are needed. First, the cloth is folded. Then, the remaining part you have to write in your paragraph. You may use the keywords such as first, then, after that, next, finally. You may use these words and complete a beautiful paragraph within 100 or 120 words. Okay? Now viewers complete the sentence with given clues. Bengali pattern, embroidery, ears, fashion, art, rural designs, quilt, naksha. These clues you may use in the blank. It's for you. Try to complete the sentence quickly. Naksha means artistic. Yes, I think you already have finished. Now you may check your answers. Naksha means artistic patterns. The name was taken from a Bengali word, naksha. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for years. Nukshi kathas are now sold in fashion shows. Nukshi kathas are now great demand because of their colorful patterns and designs. Nukshi kathas are a kind of quilt. Okay, dear students, now write down 5 questions for the completed statements in above E. Section E, you have seen a number of answers. Now you have to make WS questions, like this one is done for you. What does naksha mean? Yes, naksha means artistic patterns. In this way, you have to make some questions like this. What words was taken as the name from? Where has the art been practiced? How long? Where are they sold now? Why are Nukshi kathas in a great demand? What are Nukshi kathas? Now work in pairs, ask and answer all the questions. Now write 3 or 4 more questions on the text given be above. Okay, all these are in your textbook. Remember, dear students, these are all taken from your textbook, so you must have a textbook with you for a fruitful class. Okay, now write down 5 questions for the completed above. It has been finished by you. Okay, dear students, do you like an ordinary katha or a nukshi katha? Do you like an ordinary katha or a nukshi katha? Why? Why not? Write within 10 sentences. If you like or don't like, give reasons for your answers, and in this way you make some statements in order to make your answer as a homework. Yes, you must write this question, answer of the question. Do you like an ordinary katha or a nukshi katha? Why? Why not? Yes, these are all for today. Dear students, if you have any query or any question, you may comment in the comment box. Hope you will listen to me and follow the class carefully. Dear students, these are all for today. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.